What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you the only 2 or maybe 3 fertilizers you need to have in your garden. The first one is you need to have some sort of organic, balanced liquid feed. So this is liquid. You just put some in water and fertilize your plants with it. What you need to do is have something like this one, which is a 2-2-2. If you can't afford something like fish fertilizer, you can always buy the Miracle-Gro stuff, but only use it at half strength every other week instead of full strength every other week. There is a common misconception that Miracle-Gro will raise the salts and whatnot in your soil, but if you use it properly, everything will be fine. If not, something around a 2-2-2 but lower than a 5-5-5 is preferable, but as long as it is balanced and as long as everything is represented and it is organic, preferably, you're good to go. The second one you need to have is a granular all-purpose plant food. This one from Job's is a 4-4-4, but the one from Espoma is like a 5-3-3. You'll see one's 5-3-5, 4-6-3. Anything around that 5-5-5 range, balanced, preferably organic granular plant food. And then optionally, the third one you'll need to have is blood meal, which is a high nitrogen. This one is a 12-0-0. This is mainly for leafy greens, corn, zucchinis, things that are heavy feeders. You will apply this at the beginning of the year only once per package instructions. This one you're only supposed to use, I think, 2 tablespoons per plant, so this goes a really long way. But for a successful garden, if you're not growing any heavy feeders, then just go ahead and use an organic liquid. Even like AgroThrive, that's organic, and other things like that, preferably, and then an organic all-purpose plant food. If I had to choose one between these 3, I would go with an organic plant feed that is liquid-based, because this is more immediate and bioavailable to the plants. It doesn't have to go through months or weeks of breaking down. So if I had to choose one between all of these for you to get something like this that is immediately available to your plants, so you don't have to worry about if you have a deficiency, waiting weeks to fix it and your plants suffering in the process. So that's just a quick video of some tips and tricks. You don't need to overspend on some of the other things. I have a couple other fertilizers, which I will show you in another video, of fertilizers that are nice to have, but you don't need to have them. These are really the only 2 or 3 fertilizers you need to have a successful and abundant harvest.